are no investigations done, which is the crucial time for all the investigations to pick up these defects. And by Indian law, you cannot terminate a pregnancy after 20 weeks. So if you have not picked up, so we have to pick up as many defects as we can by the time you are at least 18 and a half to 19 weeks. Because if there is an abnormality, then we need some time to act and deliver that baby before you have completed 20 weeks. There will be many ultrasonologists who will say, abhi thoda jaldi, come back when you are 21 weeks, we'll do the ultrasound then. By the time it's too late, even if the baby is without a head, I can't do anything. By law, I cannot terminate the pregnancy. So it is important that the first few months, if they tell you that these tests are to be done at this time, at this time, at this time, please, 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 even if they appear expensive, please get them done. Otherwise, what is this baby's life, child's life? And all because the mothers have been careless or they were not aware. So when I said 75% is the patient herself, doctor can't do anything. They can give them calipers and all those things to make life. But it's a sad situation for every parent to see a child like this. So it is better that you know them early and then you just terminate the pregnancy. Next slide, please. Who needs folic acid? All women, aged 14 to 50 at least, who could become pregnant or even otherwise 50 में cancer वगैरह तक के लिए भी. So you need multivitamins. Pregnant women definitely, and everyone including men. Because men also have osteoporosis, men also have cancers, men also have other things. So they also require. Usually what I'm finding, only yesterday I saw a couple. It was the wife who had come with problems. But because of her problems, when I saw her reports, I said, you're deficient in this, you're deficient in this, you have this, you have this. So I told the husband, you also get yourself investigated along those lines. So he said, why me? The problem is hers. I said, if she's deficient in so many things, you're living in the same household, you'll also be having, so his levels were even lower than his wife's. They did not even know that the husband was beta thalassemia minor. So I said, now you better find out what your children are. If they are beta thalassemia minor, make sure that they don't try to avoid a marriage with somebody also who is also beta thalassemia minor. But that awareness could only come since he followed my advice. Quite often husbands disappear, they don't get the test done. कि कैसी डॉक्टर है, गए थे हम वाइफ को दिखाने के लिए, बोलती हैं आप भी टेस्ट करा लो. And the mistrust is that they say कि they will be getting a cut out of it, and that is why they are doing it. This is what I spoke about, the mistrust. I explained to him, it is your choice, I'm advising them. You go to whichever lab you want to get it. Okay, can we finish this quickly because it's a relatively long, then we'll address your questions also. Okay, next slide please. Foods which are naturally high in folic acid, liver, nuts and peanut butter. So nuts you can take. People, they're always worried about nuts. मोटे हो जाएंगे, ये हो जाएगा. Pregnant ladies ले सकती हैं कि नहीं? Of course you need to take everything. I say the best meal that can be, if you can imagine, is an Indian thali. Similarly, the best meal in another country would be, a conglomeration of everything. People say, नारियल पानी पिएं, coconut water. I said, coconut water, अगर भगवान ने होता कि पीना है, तो सारी दुनिया में coconut water ही पैदा कर देते. Bhagwan didn't want it. All you need is, a mixture of everything. You need cereals, you need fruits, you need dry fruits, and you also need oil and ghee and whatever. Otherwise, the water-soluble vitamins are not going, the oil-soluble vitamins are not going to be absorbed. So you need a bit of everything. Juices, orange juices. Juices is something I really don't encourage a lot. I would rather you have the fruit because it gives you the fiber as well. Juice is to be taken only if you have some intestinal problem and the doctor has recommended that you take juices. But otherwise, juices will make you put on a lot of weight. It's better you go for the fruits themselves. Leafy green vegetables. I would like to mention one thing about leafy green vegetables. And this is more of a practical thing rather than any scientific data. People usually in India, what I have noticed, so excuse me if I'm referring something to Indian context also, they have this green spinach and all those things. They have this person who's selling that. He has this machine in which he grinds it. cutting it, and then the lady of the house is very happy. She takes it home, she washes it, and she cooks it. And she says, every day I give her spinach soup, every day I give her this, every day I give her still nothing. Because after cutting, when you washed it, you have washed away the vitamins. So you've got nothing left except the green color. So you cut the roots or whatever you have to do, wash the vegetables whole, and clean them thoroughly. Once you have cleaned them thoroughly, and here somebody gave a very homely tip about, the people talking about pesticides and everything. Lemon juice and vinegar, if you add to the water and wash your fruits in that or whatever, then that also, that may help. That helps to get rid of most of the pesticides that are on the outside. Absolutely. Instead of all those awful things. I agree with you totally. Salt is also considered to be, very true. So the next easiest way is take a multivitamin with so much of folic acid every day. That is the shortcut. Next slide, please. Menarche, are we going backwards? No. Next slide, please. We've been through this. Next. So these are the various things that you can eat, and you must have something every day. When many women, I think, they have this, I'm now pregnant, and I have a chance to pamper myself, and they'll say, "Nay, I don't like this, I can't eat this, I can't do this." And I said, look here, when you have an exam, there are no excuses. You have to give an exam, you have to study, you have to get up, you have to do whatever you have to do. You have to write a project whether you like it or not. So having a baby is no small project. It's a bigger project than any other project in your life. And please don't keep pampering yourself. I will not take this, I will not take this. You have to take it, like it or lump it. So over the period of time, I've become a bit strict with my pregnant patients. The moment they hear all this, and I give them another example, that water. What is another thing? We don't drink water. Achha hi nahi lagta. I'll take this, I'll take that. And people are so, taken up on this Coca-Cola and Limca and whatever and all those things. And I say, okay, you do one thing. You take a plant, a potted plant in your house. Whatever you like to eat and you eat, put it in that plant also. And see what happens to the plant. And if you find that the plant is flourishing, show me that plant and I'll change my statements. Otherwise, you stick to natural things. They say कि हम लिमका पी लेंगे. मैंने कहा लिमका पी लेंगे. Why don't you take just some lemon juice and whatever and make it at home if you have to take that? I can't like that. I said, if you take buttermilk, at least it's giving you some nutrition. Glucose. And I think, the companies need to be, what shall I say? No, but I think as a doctor community also somewhere people have to raise their voice and say that this should not be done. Because you see, young children are just living on glucose. They come from school and instead of having a proper meal which will, what is the disadvantage? Number one, this high and lows of with glucose, zero nutritional value, no matter how much they write that this is vitamin C and vitamin A and vitamin D, it's all nonsense. So they have to take the proper, and whatever appetite they had, with which they could have eaten some wholesome food, that appetite you have killed. So they will not eat, then you're running after them, khana khalo, khana khalo, khana khalo. The child is not going because obviously the child is already taken his Glucon-D. So if anybody has Glucon-D or any of these things or any pregnant women is being, please throw that out of the window. Stick to naturals. Even sugars. There is a latest trend that they are saying that white sugar is dangerous to health and there should be a talk about rationalizing its use like any other drug. They are now comparing it with a drug.
Sugar is the new tobacco.
Yes, that's what it is.
That's what the world health.
It is actually.
It is that refined sugar taste, it's a very low frequency.
Very true.
And yeah, I tend to use some other things if I do.
Previously, people used to use molasses or gur. That has more nutritional value. अब ये तो क्या करें? See, we need to address the business houses that for the sake of profit, they should not be playing with women's life. Many things are occurring. Fertility, infertility is on the rise. No, if you have hypoglycemia, keep a biscuit, that's a different thing. Then that's a pathological thing that you're treating. Okay, people think, just glucose, people think glucose, when you go to the hospital, if you're dehydrated, people put you on a drip. Why they get this concept? And the drip is given to correct your dehydration fast. And it has a bit of salt, a very minuscule amount of salt and a little bit of glucose. Now people have got it in their head. When I go to the hospital, the doctor puts on a drip which has some glucose, so I can take glucose at home. But the glucose that you're taking by mouth and the glucose which is being given from that bottle, they act in different ways and they have their different effects. So don't try to compare the two and say they are the same. Okay, next slide please. Next, this is all about various things you can take. Yes. Okay. Now the healthy eating pyramid used to be different previously. Now this is the latest healthy eating pyramid. What is the most important thing down? This is most important.
You said no going to the gym, then what else is good?
Walking. Walking is very good. Yoga is extremely good. Why? Because it's cheap. You don't require any equipment. And it talks about contraction as well as stretching of your muscles. Most of the yoga exercises talk a lot of stretching.
What about Tai Chi?
Tai Chi is very good. That is also very good.
Dance?
You see, dance is good.
Music and dance. Is this your vegan diet, where will it fit? Dairy, you say calcium supplements.
Vegan diet, you know, they take soya milk instead. Anything you would like to contribute?
Gluten-free now they all say.
Gluten.
Because the wheat today is not wheat anymore.
Yes, not what it used to
Not
be.
eating- I mean, for 50 years, we don't have real wheat. A lot of us don't. I mean, I'm wheat-free, but then there's jowar, bajri, nachni, so many other grains that we eat. Rajgira. You know, all I like buckwheat sometimes, soy flour.
But you see, those are things people have grown up on a particular diet, and if you look at whatever a person has had in childhood is what they will like when they are grown up.
Yeah, but we were eating wheat.
Yes. So things do change, and I think the time has come. That is why I said preventive healthcare is very close to my heart, and I think a movement should be started from the population itself, from the public against otherwise people are not going to listen by one or two people talking here and there.
There is a movement. If I can comment on that.
Yes, please do.
I'm in the insurance sector.
You are in the?
Insurance.
Okay.
There are companies which give some employment benefits to their employees.
Okay.
And we add to that as a value addition, which is called wellness.
Okay.
So we educate the employees as to what should be their, every Monday we have a newsletter which goes to them, which is this week, this is good for you. That is, so it helps them increase the knowledge, live a good healthy lifestyle. Plus the companies also have thrice a week, they have somebody coming and giving a talk or something like that. And that way even our insurance claim ratio comes down.
This is, people usually think investing in health is a dead loss, but in the long term, it is far more AC बंद कर दिया है क्या? अरे यार, तो हम talk जल्दी खत्म कर देते हैं, because it's thank you, so sweet of you, thank you. हाँ, चलो, any holistic medicine.
In the olden days there was a
Person who would, pull this.